Hey, welcome back. Here's video number 3. Now I'm going to tell you, back in the day, no one ever accused me of getting something like this to look like a Christmas present, and as you can see, nothing's really changed 25 plus years later. I will tell you, I used this blue painter's tape that you see advertised on TV about making the fine line when you're trying to paint on a wall with latex paint. And maybe it does a great job for that, but frankly I was a little disappointed with it for this type of a project. And what I would do is just buy the $5 regular old blue 2-inch tape. It seems to work fine. I'm glad I had some of this Body Shop tape, 3/4. It's just 3M. You can go to a local Napa store and pick up a roll of that, or just use that blue tape. But I'm glad I had it. I actually had to do a little bit of reinforcement on some spots where so you can see, like right there, it's just not sticking down the way I would like it. So this is how it's supposed to look when it's all taped up. That's the car. I'll kind of walk over here and show you the other side. You want to get past it to make sure you don't get any overspray. I've seen some videos on YouTube demonstrating this product, and frankly I know the guy got overspray on everything. Now you can see my hood is not covered, and what I'm going to do when I'm done with this video, I just didn't want the wind whipping that plastic around and it making a bunch of noise, but I'm going to go ahead and use a couple of those sheets of plastic that I showed you in video number 1 in my supplies. But other than that, I am ready to go. I'm going to shoot it like this with the hood up. What I did was I actually just put a right under here underneath the safety catch, I just put a tape measure there to kind of block that from dropping down into the core support, because this part up here doesn't show when the hood is closed, but I want to do a professional job, and that's the name of this video, how to professionally restore your headlights. I want to do a professional job, and there's a gasket underneath here that actually sits down and touches that, but I'm going to spray it like this, and I'm going to let it dry like this overnight, because I want it to look right. I want it to look like I took it somewhere and I paid a couple $100, to get this done, and I'm really hopeful and I'm confident that's the finished product that I'm going to get. So they're sanded, taped up, it's ready to go. If you have any questions, if I've missed something, please leave a comment. I'll try to watch it. You can email me. I believe my email is on my site if you have other questions. But I'm going to stop this video, and the next video you see will be the finished product.